Here at KitchenAid, we create our products with the same passion and expertise you put into cooking. Attention to the smallest detail means that we create a masterpiece every time. A combination of stylish good looks and functionality is one of our strengths. This is why our products are ergonomic, pleasing to the eye, and deliver outstanding results. The revolutionary Chef Touch system consists of a vacuum machine to conserve food, a steam oven for cooking, and a shock freezer to cool or freeze food. The steam oven consists of a perforated tray for direct steam cooking, an internal rack for the pouches, a water pan, a temperature probe for assisted cooking. The vacuum machine consists of a dome cover, a tiltable removable rack to hold the pouches and prevent spills, a heat bar to seal the pouches, which can be removed to permit use of boxes. The shock freezer consists of internal racks, a temperature probe. The vacuum machine has an on switch, a switch for use with the pouches, and a switch for use with the boxes. With the vacuum machine, the uncooked food is seasoned and placed in special pouches to be cooked in the steam oven. The food can be eaten immediately or stored in a fridge or freezer, even for long periods, without losing its nutrients and flavor. The vacuum machine can be used for vacuum sealing pouches, vacuum sealing boxes, the shock freezer has an on switch, which should be pressed for at least 5 seconds to turn the machine on. It also has a switch for freezing at -18 degrees Celsius and a switch for rapid cooling to a +3 degrees Celsius with 2 options: fast forced air or moderate forced air for food that could be affected by a rapid air flow. The shock freezer cools or freezes uncooked or cooked food in just a few minutes, maintaining flavors, taste, and nutrients, extending the use-by date, and conserving freshness. The shock freezer allows you to reach professional results as it may be used for blast chilling, rapid cooling from +90 degrees Celsius to +3 degrees Celsius in 90 minutes with or without probe. Shock freezing from +90 degrees Celsius to -18 degrees Celsius in 4 hours with or without probe. Rapid cooling of bottles or fast freezing of ice cubes. The steam oven has a left-hand function selector dial, a function confirm button, a second right-hand dial to browse the sub-menus and select cooking settings, and a Start Cooking button. The display indicates any malfunctions and alerts, such as the need to fill the water tank. The steam oven may be used for steam cooking with manual selection of time and temperature settings, automatic assisted sous vide steam cooking, direct steam cooking with a temperature probe inserted in the food without a sous vide pouch, automatic defrosting, automatic reheating. Let's go now through the Chef Touch system step by step. Place the food to be cooked in a vacuum pouch. Add herbs or spices as required. Vacuum seal the pouch. You can also use boxes, which you can find on the KitchenAid website. As the vacuum sealing cycle begins, you can turn on the steam oven. Place the vacuum-sealed pouch in the oven and set the recipe cooking time and temperature. You can serve. Remember that hot food can also be shock frozen, reducing exposure to temperatures that could cause bacteria to proliferate and guaranteeing long-term conservation, more than 1 week at +4 degrees Celsius and several months for frozen food. Once food has been frozen, it may be cooked directly in the steam oven. If already cooked, it may be reheated, in both cases with one of the automatic programs. Food may be browned in a pan for about 1 minute, before or after steam cooking. This applies to meat in particular. We've used the Chef Touch system to prepare a delicious filet of venison with truffles, Jerusalem artichoke tubers, and creamed pumpkin. Thank you for watching. Enjoy using this outstanding KitchenAid product.